Right, I'm just going to give you a video walk round of this fantastic looking Mercedes Vito van. Panel van, this one, it's a 116 Select. It's the 163 PS with the 9G-Tronic automatic gearbox. Finishing the best colour, Alpine grey. It's had our full styling pack. Got some nice bits on this one. Let's start here at the front and I'll carefully walk you around. Right, suspension wise, we've lowered this by 30mm. We've got the 7-spoke, double spoke gloss black alloys. Red calipers. We've got the Maxton design splitters. Full kit on this one, front splitter, rear splitter. Mirrors there, we've done those in gloss black. We've tinted the front corners there and done a tint on the top of the window. Echo wind deflectors, full length roof rails, colour coded handles. So this is a 2626 brand new registered delivery mileage. Obviously no marks on it. Parking sensors on the front and the rear, so we've done all the front there in gloss black with that lovely looking splitter on the lower of the bumper. The headlights on this one, it's got the Multibeam LEDs with daytime running. Badge there done in gloss black. So moving to the rear, as I say, rear parking sensors and also rear camera on this one above the number plate. Gloss black barn door spoilers. That nice rear splitter. Black badging. Just give you a look in the back. And the handle. There we go, very roomy van there. Hard flooring. All the tie down straps, I think there's 10 or 12 in there, and the metal bulkhead. Tinted rear lights, slightly smoked. Great looking van this. And as we speak, we have got the same van in Alpine grey, but a combi. So it's a 5-seater combi. So have a look at our website on this one and our other vans, justnicevans.co.uk, where you'll find a full description and all the photographs. Right, inside, lovely new style dashboard on these. We've got wireless Apple CarPlay. This one's got that lovely soft leather steering wheel, which is heated. We've got heated front seats. Electric mirrors there, auto headlights, gloss black dash trim. Now the seats, it's an Artico leather seating in black, and the driver's seat, there's like a sports seat with this pad that you can adjust in and out. It's also got the electric lumbar support on the seat and a double there on the passenger side. Armrest, all adjustable. Fantastic looking Mercedes Vito. So it's ready to go. Any questions, please give us a call. Chris is dealing with this one. His number is 07 888 98 98 77. So any questions, We've got WhatsApp on that number as well. If you'd like any finance quotation, a business lease, etc., please give us a call. Thank you very much for watching. Come and have a look. Thank you.